Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy chili burgers. We'll begin by preparing the star of our show, the juicy burger patties. Then, we'll whip up a simple yet incredibly tasty chili topping that perfectly complements the beef. This method is designed for speed and flavor, ensuring you can enjoy a satisfying meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Get ready to create a crowd-pleasing dish that's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a weeknight dinner or a casual get-together with friends. Let's get started on those delicious burger patties. You'll want about 1½ pounds of ground beef, ideally with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form this into 6 patties, each weighing approximately 1/3 of a pound and about 3/4 of an inch thick. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Cook them over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until they reach your desired doneness. Now, let's create that irresistible chili topping. In a medium saucepan, sauté 1 small diced onion and 1 bell pepper in about 1 tablespoon of oil until softened. Add 1 pound of ground beef and cook until it's nicely browned, then drain any excess fat. Stir in 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes and 1 can of kidney beans, rinsed and drained. Season with 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by lightly toasting your favorite burger buns. This adds a nice texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Place a perfectly cooked burger patty onto the bottom half of each bun. Now, spoon a generous amount of that warm, flavorful chili topping right over the patty. Feel free to add your favorite extras, like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh chopped onions. Serve immediately and savor every delicious bite of your easy homemade chili burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.